Orben. And thank you very much for the donation you have given to me. And I hope that God will bless you more. And thank you for the food shared by the family. And thank you very much, Mom. I will do my very best to keep this Amy's Mama Mary kept in the house. And we will be having our Rotary Family Prayer Crusade in October. And this Mama Mary, our Lady of Fatima, will be going around with some of my crusade members. Thank you very much, Mom. I love you. Take care.